Hello everyone, I am Sanyokta, your ultimate guide for Borg ERP account setup. Welcome to Borg Tutorials. Today I will guide you how to add customers in your Borg ERP account. For that, first we need to go to borgerp.com. So here we go. By now you must have got your login credentials. So next step is to login. As of now, I am using my demo account and I will show you all paramount details. So yes, you can see over here, we have landed in our account and we are having the admin dashboard over here. So basically Borg is 6-module integrated ERP. You can see over here, marketing and sales, accounts book, service desk, inventory and SCM, human resource, task force. Okay. So we will go in detail about each modules separately in upcoming videos. First of all, we need to add customers. So the next step to add customers is here. Please go to the side menu bar and from here you can add customers. So you can see below admin dashboard, manage customer. Then first click on manage customer. Yes, you can see the table over here with all details of customers, serial number, customer ID, company name, contact person, password, mobile, email, and few action buttons already present here. Okay. So for adding a single customer, we can go for this option. We can see here plus icon on right top. For single adding a customer, we can use this icon. So when we click on plus, we get a form over here to fill all details for a certain customer. Company name, contact person name, mobile number, email address of that particular customer, GSTIN number, PAN number, state code, billing address, shipping address. These all things, all major details you need to fill up and then you need to submit this form. That means you need to click on this button, add customer. When it will be done, all that details, including company name, contact person, these all things will be placed over here on this table. That is customer register or customer list management. So initially, I made you aware of adding customer with a single adding option, that is with plus icon. The second option I am going to tell you is this one, that is for bulk upload. So when we will click on this icon, we come to this CSV file. Yes, yes. For bulk upload, we need to upload a certain file. But for before that, we need to download the sample CSV file from here. When you click on download sample CSV file, you will get a file over here. So you can see this is the sample CSV file and it is having all that particular details: company name, contact person, mobile number, email address, billing address, PAN number, GSTIN number. Those paramount details is to be filled up. Okay. Next is that when you are filled and done with that particular file with all details of your customers, your n number of customers can be uploaded from over here and you need to upload this file from here. Upload file. So when it will be done, all the customers will be shown over here in customer list management. Same is with the download option, that is download all the customers and their details at one go. So you can see n number of customers and their all details can be fetched within a single click. Okay. So basically, I made you learn today 3 simple steps to add customers. First one is the plus icon that is used for a single adding customer. If you want to add a single customer one by one, you can use this option. And the second is the bulk upload, which you can use for if you're having more customers and you want to save time and it is very much tedious for any of your salesperson or sales executive to add each and every customers one by one. So just to save time and increase your productivity, you can go for this bulk option, upload option. This will save your time and also increase your team's productivity. The third option is for downloading app option, and that means all the customers which you have added, in case you want to have all details, you can download each and every detail from here. So 2 methods basically for adding customers. One is single click, adding one by one, and other is the bulk upload, filling that particular CSV sample file and uploading all the data at one go within a single click. So if you are still today, after registering in Borg, you are still stuck in onboarding your all details of your customers in your Borg ERP account. So please follow these simple steps and unlock your Borg ERP business account and to road of success. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.